Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to explain JavaScript data types. Here, data type define what kind of value a variable can store and how JavaScript behave with it. Different data have different behaviors. Why the data type matters? Here, we have the example for you so that you will understand the things here. Okay, so here why data type matters. Suppose here, let's create a variable x. Not let, it is a let x is equal to 16 and then plus and then here write value. Then in the output what you got here print x and then check in the terminal. So let me cls and then execute your files. This is 73 and you got it here 16 value. Because JS convert number to the strings. Here what happened here, this is you see this number also converted to the strings, so that's why here data type matters. And we have the example for you here. It is a very simple. Here suppose you are building a AI creator apps plus UPI payment plus live streaming. So let's just create AI creator profile plus payment system. Just creating a variable here creator name is equal to me AI. You can write anything. Then let subscribers. This is here subscribers. It is equal to 2500 0. It is a numbers. Then let is live. It is equal to Boolean value. So then let total earning, it is equal to, here you have to write big int numbers 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then this is a big int number. You have to go to the new line. This is here and it is fine. Then here also create undefined. Here if you create anything without assigning value, then that value will be here. Then that value will be undefined. Here at stream, this is here stream titles, and then here null values also. Here's let last donations, it is equal to null, and then let here write the string id, it is equal to, here write symbols, then inside it here you write the strings. Okay, then create your full creator data. Let this is here creator, it is equal to, inside it here you write what, this is creator name, and then here write this is here, and then here write subscriber. This is what 2500, and then here is his life, and that is 2. This is the thing here. This is here let creator, and this is value. So now console.log everything, your values like your creator's name, and then subscriber is live, total earning, stream title, last donation, creators. Copy all that, paste it, then again paste it, paste, and then update your values. Here your variables name, this is subscriber is live, here is live, then total earnings, this is here total earning, stream titles, here right, this is the stream titles, then last donations, here right last donation, then creators. Okay, so here let me execute that files. You see your creator name, then here what we have all that, your subscriber, then is live true, then total earning, this is BigInt, then stream title by defined, undefined, and you will easily verify. This is here. Let stream title, it is undefined because you don't have yet assigned any values, so that's why undefined. And then this is last donation, it is a null, and then it is your creator in the object creator. Name this one subscriber, and it is the live true. So let me understand all these things using this example for the strings here. You see here console.log your creator name, that is me AI, and then if you check it your needs data type, let me comment all that here. This is here, copy paste, this is okay, I mean this is your creator's name, copy it, paste, and this is your creator name, it is a string. Okay, so even you can easily verify that. Write console.logs and then type of your creator's name. So it is used for usernames and title, chat messages, your strings. Here you see this is strings creator name, and also you have to verify with this type of operators. Then execute it first, and you see me AI, and that is a strings. Then similarly the subscriber. Next, copy the subscribers. Then here it is a number, so you have to paste. Then check it here. Also this value console.logs type of your subscriber, what it is a number. So let me verify that this one it is a number, correct. Then similarly verify that your live status it is a boolean values. Here console.logs is live, and then console.logs inside here type of is live. Okay, it is used for show the live badges or false show the offline badges. So here generate files, and you see this is live, it is a boolean values. It is very simple to understand all these things. And then here your BigInt earnings, so here console.logs and then total earning, and this is console.log your type of total earning you got in the values as a BigInt. You see this is a BigInt values. You know it is used for the crypto or fintech or AI monetization. For that this variables. Undefined stream titles, console.log stream not id, it is a here stream titles. This is undefined. Creator has not set title yet, means this you got undefined. This is here. Here you have to check it here. This is your stream title here. Okay, you don't have yet assigned any value, so that's why it is undefined. Then we have null values here. That is your last donations, console.logs and then last donations. No one donated yet, so that's why it is a null. And you see it is a null. You can check it here your data type using this here type of and the last donation. Next, it is a stream IDs. Here every stream gets the unique identity globally. Console.logs and then here stream ID. Let me check it here what you got the values. This is symbol streams is here. Here you can also check its data type, this console.log. Then we have the objects, it is the full creators and data. Console.log creator and then check it here your data type console.logs and then type of creators. Okay, so here you have to execute files and you got here your creator name subscriber is live and it is objects. Now here we have the example for you so that you will understand anything like UPI plus strings bugs. So let here create amount, it is equal to inside a string 500, then let bonus, it is equal to 100, and then let total this is here to that is equal to amount plus bonus. Then console.log your totals, and you got it here. Output 500 plus hundreds means here this values. Okay, because JavaScript convert this number also in the strings. Why happen this? Because input field always give the strings here, so that's why. Yes, and here, and you can fix this one. Here, this is a real bug that developer face, and you can fix this one simple solutions. Here, no need of this. Okay, this is a bug, and you can easily fix using the what here you have to convert the into the numbers. Let it is total. This is total, which is equal to numbers, and then here write the amount plus bonus. Here you write console.logs and then totals. You have to comment in this one. Now you got it, your expected result, that is 600. This is one, and that is fine. So here is the dynamic type here. So here just let's get a variable let data, and then we have database. This is 25, then 0 0 0 0. It is your followers. Console.logs, then type of data. Here it is data, it is live now. Then write console.logs and then type of data. So yeah, same variable, different roles, and but powerful, but it is risky. This is we have data here, and then this data here. So print, and you see your output here. What you got here? This is it is a strings, because here you have to got your dynamic data. Very first time it is number, but you have to change your values, and that is a string. So that's why here you will see it is strings. Okay. So it is all about your data types. Here data types, here your if does not break because of logic, it break because of the data type. So you have to keep in mind, like what we have: strings, number, booleans, symbols, defined, undefined, nulls. Okay, so front end give the string, back end expect the number, and boom, bug appear. Yes, so master data type and think like real developers. Okay, you have to understand all this. Here this is simple one example that cover all the things: your strings, numbers, booleans, live, total, sending, BigInt, then undefined, null, and objects. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.